Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Airfryer 6.5 liters, and now I'm gonna explain you can you remove these rubbers from the grill. So the short answer is no. Why? Because in this instruction you have information about why you can't remove the rubber on the frying plate grill. These rubbers are created from high temperature silicon, and it was created to prevent the scratching of your bowl. So as you can see, in this way, where we have these rubbers, we can't scratch the bowl, and it's very helpful. Of course, they're not too maybe useful, as you can see, and it's not too comfortable to remove this plate with these rubbers, but unfortunately this is resolved to not to scratch the bowl. If you will remove it, you will scratch the bowl, and maybe it can make this material maybe not danger but unhealthy, like these normal frying plates. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.